It is never easy trying to make someone else craft, most especially when you try and try and try and you don't get it. You can only get something that is actually close to it, but not exactly. And that's why when you keep making beats and you try to you mistakenly forget what you did, and maybe let's say something happened to the project and you want to remake that instrumental, it's very hard for you to get that sound back. In fact, not very hard, you can never get that sound back, same sound the way you want it, unless you know the recipe of how you did it. So now I'm trying to reproduce someone else's craft. Since you don't know the recipe or how the person created it, it's very, very, very hard. You can only get something that is actually closer to it. But by the way, we have something close. So this is a song, ASAKE song, Organize, that I remade the instrumental. So I'm just going to, you know, tell you the elements of the beat, how I made the beat, and then I'm going to play the full instrumental for you. So let's get right into it. So let's go to pattern one of the beat. So I'm just going to scroll pattern one. I have this kick right here. So that's the first thing I created. So I'm going to play it. The pattern it sounds like this. Okay. It sounds like that one. 1, 3, 4, 1. So you can see it very well. So that's just the first kick, and it's just this low calm kick. And one thing about the song is the bass. The bass is actually what's driving the song, what's making people enjoy it so much. So let's go. This is the kick. We have this low end kick. We have this one. I'm up with the snare placed like this. 1, 2. Let me turn on the metronome. Okay, sounds like that. So the next thing I added was this one, this rim shot. Sounds like this. 1, 2. So it just sounds like that. Then the next thing I added was this one, this nylon percussion, which is just the groove and the rhythm of the sound. So I didn't do anything much on it, just left it the way it is. We'll have the one. Although the song is actually not mixed yet, so we have this snare also, of which it sounds at the end. So it sounds like this. So you can hear. So the normal Afrobeat bounce, that's what the snare gives. Then we have this one, percussions. This percussion, lock percussion, sounds like this. So that one, I have something like this again, wood block. So sound. So just give it the normal count. I have another one. So now that's just all for the drums. So the drums, only the drums, I'm going to solo only the drums. So it sounds like this. I'm just going to play it from here. We have I'm going to go to where we have more of it. So let's say here. So that's just the drum. Then I added this audio, which is South African. I didn't later use it, but it's just the normal shaker. So I added that, and the tempo of the song is 113, so don't forget that. I added this shaker also. Another shaker, the normal bounce. So that's just the normal bounce of the shaker. So with that, everything sounded like this. So I felt okay, is enough. But this one, you can. Then I added this snare also. Sounds like this. So it sounds like. So that's just all for the drums. That's all for the drums. So I'm going to mute that. And then what else? What else? What else? We have this wood block. I've told you about the wood block. Pop, 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 pop. So it's just popping up on its own. So that's all for the drum. Now let's go to the instruments. So first of all, I tried to look for the cam instrument they use. I guess I came up with this one shot, but it's just playing on the background. So we have this one. So that's just the one shot. Then another one shot, same thing, but I didn't use it later. E piano. So the progression of the song is actually six, no, I guess three, two, 2 5 6, 2 5 6. So that's what you known as do, and then I said do, re, and so, sus two, sus two, so sus two, or 5 sus 2, and then we have the 6 minus 6. Okay, so now let's go to the record, which is this one. So this one comes in after the bass. Again. So this is what is actually responding to the record progression. So I use this stage piano for that. You can get it if you have the stage piano. Then I have another one which is the stage piano 2. Okay, so this plays stage piano 2, sounds like this. Bang, bang, bang. So when this one plays, it calls the other one. So this one plays, the other one responds, bang, plays, but this one follows the bass. So we have this chord progression. So that is it. Like I said, what's really more prominent or something so sweet about the music is the bass. So that's just what drives the song. Like when you hear it. So I used mobile bass, but I ended up not using this one. So I just used Purity, and the bass sounds like this. Okay. Okay. So we have that on the bass. Expand also the bass, but I didn't use this one from expand. This is actually a bass sound, but I carried it up. I didn't use it, so I'm going to turn it off. So next thing, another bass. It was 2 bass they use on the this thing, more than 2. So it was live performance. I guess it was they had slide on it. It's like someone is actually playing the bass. So I make this. I didn't actually go to the studio to make this one. I just tried to put in the value without the MIDI keyboard. So and that is why it actually gave me it's actually playing like this and not sliding. So that's for the bass. Then we have another bass like this. So that is entering the last chorus. Can you remember? So I'm gonna open it up. Sounds like this. Okay, so after that, let's move on. We have this one. So the two other instruments that are present is like organ and trumpet. So many trumpet sounds like this. So that's just like what plays. So after that, another trumpet sound. This one plays like this. So that one, another one. This is the second type of trumpet that played. So the first one was just this normal trumpet sound on purity. The second one was this one, muted trumpet. So it sounds like this on the background. So just simple as that. Let's go back. Then the next trumpet sound, this one, so many solo. So so that's another one. So many solo trumpet. This one I guess is at the starting of the song. Okay, again. All right. So now I'm going to go to the next solo one, which is this one. Guess this one is longer, so I just tried to, no MIDI keyboard, like I said, in the room, and I didn't go to the studio, so. Okay, so after that, another solo one sounds like this. Again. Okay, so that's for the instrument, the keyboard. And let's see, do we have another? Yes, we have this one. So this one is actually the organ. Plays like 2 or 3 times in the beat. Again. So I guess that is just all that is in the beat. Then the vocal sample at the at the beginning of the beat. I didn't actually get the vocal sample. It's actually them singing organized. So it sounds like this. I'm just going to play everything together so you get out the beat sounds. So I'm going to turn off this one because I didn't use it. And then let's just play the beat the way it sounds. So let's go. So these are sounds, this vocal sample. I chopped it off from the beat and then I pitched it up. So something like that. So let's play the beat together and then let's see what we have. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so that is all for the beat. That is all for the beat. And those are the instruments, and you can actually find the beat. So, all right. So thank you for staying with us. Thank you for staying with us. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, to turn up the notification button for more videos will be coming in soon. And the next video I'm going to be doing is how to, maybe make an amapiano beat again, or some other mixing, because this is a song I have not even actually touched it, mixed or anything. It's just not my instrumental, so you can see nothing is on anything, so it's just sounding just ordinary. So nothing is inside, nothing is inside. So but one thing I did before, doing the beat, I actually added the tuner balance control, which is the first thing. After adding the tuner balance control, I sampled the beat. So I sampled the real song, and then I reference the real song, and then I have this curve right here. So this is actually the curve, and then I started making the beat so that it can fit into the curve. So if I play the beat now, it's actually fitting to the curve. I don't know if so. It's just trying to. Okay, so it was fitting to the beat, to the this thing. Maybe because I adjusted just a little more of the bass, and then tweaked some things or took away some things. So that's just the old song. That's just the old song. All right. So thank you so much for staying with us. Thank you so much, and I already want to appreciate those of you that are supporting the channel one way or the other. That showing more love, showing more comments with the comment in the comment sections. I want to say thank you very much. God bless you all. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So take care. Thank you.